Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of making money online by flipping websites. If you're looking for a profitable side hustle or even a full-time income, this video is for you. That's right, you heard that correctly. You can actually buy and sell websites just like you can buy and sell real estate. It's a little bit like house flipping, but instead of fixing up properties, you're optimizing websites for maximum profitability. Think about it, almost every business needs a website these days, and you can capitalize on that demand. In this video, we'll break down the process into 5 easy-to-understand steps. And by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to find, buy, improve, and sell websites for a profit. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, stick around because this is going to be good. Okay, so before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's answer the fundamental question. What exactly is website flipping? In a nutshell, website flipping is the process of buying existing websites, improving their design, content, functionality, and profitability, and then selling them for a profit. Think of it like flipping houses, but in the digital world. You're essentially buying low, adding value, and then selling high. Now these websites can range from small niche blogs to e-commerce stores to online businesses and everything in between. The key is finding websites with untapped potential, websites that are undervalued and maybe a little bit neglected. You know, like that house down the street that hasn't been renovated in decades. It might not look like much now, but with a little bit of love and some strategic improvements, it could be worth significantly more. That's what we're doing here. But instead of hammers and nails, we're using things like content marketing, search engine optimization, and maybe even a fresh coat of digital paint, which is really just a website redesign. The beauty of website flipping is that it offers flexibility, scalability, and the potential for significant returns. Plus, you can do it from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. So, if you're ready to learn how to turn your laptop into a money-making machine, let's move on to the next step. Now let's talk about money. Specifically, how much do you need to start flipping websites? The good news is that compared to traditional businesses or even real estate, website flipping is relatively affordable. You don't need a ton of cash to get started, but you will need some capital to invest in buying and improving websites. Think of it like this. You wouldn't show up to a car auction without any money, right? The amount you need will vary depending on the types of websites you're targeting. Smaller websites like niche blogs or affiliate sites can be bought for a few hundred to a few $1,000s, while larger, more established websites with significant traffic and revenue can cost tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's kind of like buying a used car versus a brand new Tesla. Now, as a general rule of thumb, it's best to start small and gradually work your way up as you gain experience and build your bankroll. Just like you wouldn't want to put all your eggs in one basket with real estate, you don't want to put all your money into one website when you're first starting out. Remember, diversification is key. Start with a budget you're comfortable with, learn the ropes, and then, as you start seeing success, you can reinvest those profits into bigger and better websites. Speaking of finding websites, let's move on to step number 3. Chapter 3: Finding Undervalued Websites. This is where the fun begins. The thrill of the hunt, finding those hidden gems, those diamond-in-the-rough websites that are just begging for someone to unlock their true potential. It's like going to a flea market or an estate sale. You never know what treasures you'll find, but when you find something special, you know it. So, where do you find these undervalued websites? Well, there are a few key places you can look. One option is dedicated website marketplaces like Flippa and Empire Flippers. Think of these as the eBay of websites. These platforms list thousands of websites for sale across various niches and price ranges. You can browse listings, filter by criteria like price, traffic, revenue, and niche, and even bid on websites in auctions. It's like online shopping, but for websites. Another option is to go directly to website owners. This is more of a proactive approach, but it can be very effective, especially if you're targeting specific niches or types of websites. You can find websites through domain name brokers, industry forums, social media groups, or even just by doing some good old-fashioned Google searching. Once you've found some potential targets, it's time to do your due diligence. Just like you wouldn't buy a house without getting an inspection, you don't want to buy a website without thoroughly vetting it first. Chapter 4: Improving Website Value. Alright, so you found a website, you've done your due diligence, and you've made the purchase. Congratulations, you're now a website owner. But the work doesn't stop there. In fact, this is where the real magic happens. Remember, we're in the business of adding value, of taking something ordinary and making it extraordinary. So how do we actually improve a website's value? Well, there are several key strategies you can implement. First and foremost, content is king. Make sure the website has high quality, engaging, and relevant content that provides value to its visitors. This could involve creating new blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, or even just updating existing content to make it more comprehensive and informative. Secondly, focus on search engine optimization or SEO. This means optimizing the website's content and technical structure to rank higher in search engine results pages like Google. The higher the website ranks, the more organic traffic it will receive, which translates to more potential customers and revenue. Think of it like this. You could have the best restaurant in the world, but if no one can find it, you're not going to have many customers. SEO is like putting your website on the map so that people can find it. Chapter 5. Selling for profit. Okay, so you found an undervalued website, you've put in the work to improve its content, SEO and design, and now it's a well-oiled, money-making machine. Congratulations, you're officially a website flipper. But now comes the final step, selling your website for a profit. Now selling a website is very similar to selling any other asset. You need to find a buyer who's willing to pay a premium for what you've built. Just like listing your house on the MLS, you'll want to list your website for sale on those same marketplaces we talked about earlier, like Flippa and Empire Flippers. When you create your listing, make sure to highlight all the amazing improvements you've made to the website. Showcase its traffic growth, revenue streams, and future potential. Think of it like creating a dating profile for your website. You want to put its best foot forward and attract the right buyer. Be responsive to inquiries, negotiate fairly, and remember, the goal is to get a return on your investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Happy flipping! Remember, website flipping is a fantastic way to generate passive income, build a valuable asset, and achieve financial freedom. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with hard work, dedication, and the right knowledge, you can succeed in the exciting world of website flipping. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey today, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be sharing your own website flipping success story with the world.